Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to give you a quick little tutorial, I guess, of how I do my hair every night. This is just to keep my twist looking fresh and to keep the natural curl and or put a curl in your twist if this is what you're looking for. So all I do is part my hair into 4 different sections, and I'll either twist or braid the hair in each section. So because this hair is naturally curly, I decided to just twist it to the natural flow of the hair. If I was wearing straight twists, I would just braid it because I don't mind a little wave twisting if you want less of a curl. But that's pretty much it. You see how quickly it is just to do that one section. They don't have to be perfect. You just go through, twist whichever direction you like. So depending on your hair, you might want to have some bobby pins on hand. Luckily for this type of hair, it just kind of naturally wraps around itself, so I didn't need bobby pins. All I did was twist the hair around each other and then just pulled it through so it would stay in place. I did it with the 2 top sections, then I just did the 2 bottom sections, again just getting it in place long enough for me to be able to put my satin cap on. So the trick to help reduce the amount of frizz is to first lay your hair down with a satin scarf. This way you're creating less friction. So I found if I just used a cap, my hair is still technically rubbing against the cap, creating small bits of friction. However, with the scarf, it holds it in place, and the cap holds the scarf in place so you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You guys saw this took less than 3 minutes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm off to bed. Good night.